Group and outline. This function allows you to group portions of the workbook without hiding the relevant columns or rows that you do when you normally hide, which creates problems and should be avoided at all costs. For example, we may wish to group the months together so that we can only see the quarter totals. To do this, we would highlight the columns, go to the group command, and select it. And now you'll see the three dots on top of the three columns, a minus sign which will help to close it, and the plus sign exposes it, and also some numbers here as well, which we'll deal with shortly. We would then go and do it for all of the various months. And this is quite handy. The F4 command remembers your last command, and I use it quite a lot for this specific task. So now we've made our 4 quarters, and if I click on the one, it's the most collapsed, and we have this collapsed view. But if I need to make some sort of adjustments or look at a formula, I can open up the relevant section as opposed to the normal hiding situation, which does cause a lot of issues. To remove it, we actually work on the reverse. You highlight the ranges that you want, and you go and ungroup them. Now sometimes we'll pick on the universal button and then ungroup via that methodology. Ungroup columns, and OK. You can also try the outline methodology, which is auto outline, and occasionally Excel will actually find exactly what you were trying to do by doing it via the auto outline. In this case, if I selected it, it actually picked up how we would like to group it, and it's given me that option. You can still have a third tier, for example on top, where we might have had a group on top for the situation, so that we'd have 3 levels: the most exposed, the collapsed quarter totals,